Hey everybody, here's a simple solution to get rid of hiccups. So if you have dealt with hiccups that have lasted for quite a while, you're kind of willing to try anything. And in my small bowl I have a teaspoon of sugar, just plain table sugar. So this is not something that you're going to want to overdo because sugar addiction is a real problem, or can be. But just going to swallow that little teaspoon of sugar, and the thought is that the sugar kind of interrupts the nerve impulses that are triggering the diaphragm to hiccup, and so that teaspoon of sugar can help to stop those hiccups. So a simple natural home remedy for hiccups: 1 teaspoon of sugar.